1947. The British flag, more popularly known as the Union Jack, was lowered down and the new Indian tricolor was hoisted amidst great pomp and splendor. It was a solemn occasion which gave great pride to every Indian. We are all aware that we did not receive our independence by chance, but by the hardships and struggle suffered by our great leaders like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lokmanya Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, and many others. They fought for our freedom, and some even sacrificed their lives to achieve our independence. Our leaders had great dreams for our country. But are their dreams being fulfilled? Definitely not. This is not the India of their dreams. India is the world's largest democracy. But do we see real democracy around us? The rich are getting richer and the poor poorer. A glance at our newspaper tells us of the social evils taking place in our country. Corruption, crimes, rape, robbery, communal disharmony, poverty and unemployment are some evils around us. Is this what our freedom fighters wanted for our country? Or is their dream of an economically strong, peaceful nation where all Indians live as brothers and sisters sheltered? Is India really marching forward? On this occasion, let us pause, capture the spirit of India. Let not the blood of our freedom fighters go in vain. We can do so if we all do our little bit in building of our nation. Let us not ask what India can do for us, but let us ask ourselves what can we do for our India. Let us join hands and unite for a common goal, that is to make India strong and free from poverty, corruption, crimes and terrorism. If we achieve all this, then only our independence from the British has some meaning.
We are celebrating the 75th anniversary of the liberation or freedom of our country. 75 years back, we were freed from the British rule. On the 13th time, there is a beautiful article by a famous writer, Rajdeep Sardesai. Famous and author also. He writes a beautiful article, The India I Dream of. What type of India I want to be, or I want India to be. And he writes many things. If you are not read, please read it. He speaks, once we were more or less under the British rule, now we are under the rule of some party. We should talk whatever she wants, what the party wants. Whatever they feel pleasant or pleasure to them, they go on doing, getting a list about the population of people of India. Maybe you are also involved in doing that. Therefore, today, on this 75th anniversary of our independence, let us not only thank God, let us not only celebrate. Today, thousands of celebrations may be throughout India, thousands of celebrations. They speak a lot today. But how far India is independent, we all know how far it is independent. Instead of trying to make a better India, we are trying to make India a worse country. Day by day, things are going worse and worse and worse. And maybe it is because of each one of us. So let us not only pray, let us work very seriously to do our part to make our country a better country, a happy country and a prosperous country. So today, as we celebrate the feast of Our Lady, thank God for that. And through our intercession, let us pray to God to bless our country, to help each one of us to make our country a better country.